Hey there, Tech World. I made this video because I stumbled upon something that was puzzling me when I went to go upgrade the RAM in this computer. I kept getting this infinite loop, giving this error message, and then it'd try to do a self repair, then restart, try to boot up again, fail, give you the blue screen of death, shut down, do the automatic repair again, and it just kept doing that, and it was troubling me. So me being a troubleshooter, I had to go and find out. So I tried first. I tried make sure that it wasn't the RAM stick, so I put in another piece of RAM, and it did the same thing. Then when I went back and then I put in the original RAM, it booted up fine. No issues. So I had to inspect the two different RAM chips and basically just find out the difference. And as you can see here, the transfer rate on these ones, you can't really see it too clearly, but the transfer rate on this one is 10,600. And I that's the maximum that this computer allows. And I see a lot of people online was having this trouble. After I figured out the issue, that was the first thing I did was go online and see if anybody else was having this issue, so I could comment on their forum or whatever. But then I just decided to make a video. So I'm going to switch out the RAM here, the one that I'm replace the older RAM, and you'll see it boot right up fine. No problems, no issues. Just give it a second. It's loading. It's working. It's working. It's working. Yeah, I hate when I come across issues and it just trouble me and I have to find out the answer. So I just use the knowledge that I have. Then if I need extra help, I'll reach out and try to find it. But for the most part, I can figure out the issues on my own. Very tech savvy. So yeah, here is spooling up. One minute. 1 minute. Guess the computer's mad at me. Keep keep playing with it. It just wants to run. See, got your startup screen. I'm gonna shut this back down, and I can finally upgrade it to the maximum allowed. See, this one is 12,800. Has a transfer rate. So they both was 4 gigs. That's what was really getting to me, because I know the maximum allowed on this computer is 16. The maximum allowed is 16. So, oh no, I believe it's 8, and that's exactly what I put in was 8, and it just wouldn't boot up for some reason. So, if you're having this issue, just go online and check your specs of your laptop. Make sure you're not exceeding the transfer rate. If you are, just order RAM with lower transfer rate, pop it in, and it'll boot right up. No problems. It took me about a half hour to figure this out, but hey, better late than never. Alright, Tech World. You can find me. Here go all my handles. to my social medias and everything. You can find me. I'll post more interesting videos up. If you like, please, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Um, just show support. That's all we hear. That's why we post these videos. We just want y'all support. So thank you, Tech World.